Stop saving your money in the bank. Saving your money in the bank is keeping you poor. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what to do instead of saving your money in the bank. Before we get right into the meat of this video, if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is John Agbo. I am a financial literacy educator. I teach people like you how to make, manage, and multiply their money. I do that through the educative content that I put out here on my YouTube channel. So if you love content like this, then you quickly want to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And also turn on the bell icon so that you always get notified by YouTube whenever I upload a new video here. Savings is a very important aspect of finance that will be instrumental in your journey to building financial freedom. Poor people save money and rich people also save money. But the rich do not save like the poor. They save differently. Poor people save their money in the bank where inflation and bank charges keep reducing the value of their money. Rich people also save, just that they save differently, and where they save, they actually get to earn interest on their savings. So if your goal is to actually build wealth, then you don't have to save your money in a regular savings account. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can save your money like the rich and still get to earn interest on your savings. Before I do that, let's look at some of the reasons why it is important for you to save. Number one is for emergencies. Whether you like it or not, emergencies will always arise in our lives. Your car could break down and you'll need to fix it. Your phone could get damaged and you need to fix it. Your parents will call you from home for an emergency that needs to be fixed immediately, so you have to send money to them. You could even lose your job in the process, and just in case that happens, you need to have a financial safety net that you can turn to. So these and many more are some of the reasons why you want to save for an emergency. Another reason why you also want to save money is to save and take advantage of opportunities. Someone could walk up to you right now and say, bro, I have this plot of land I want to sell, though the land is worth 50 million naira, but you can just give me 10 million naira and half the land. The reason I want to sell the land is because I want to relocate abroad. So I need some money urgently to be able to process some things. If you already have the cash saved up somewhere, of course, all you have to do is to withdraw and take advantage of that opportunity. So saving to take advantage of opportunity is another reason why you want to save money. And the third reason why you want to save is for a bigger purchase. There are bigger purchases that you may want to make and you won't be able to bring out the money and pay for it at once. So the best thing you want to do is to look for ways that you can save that money bit by bit until you have the total sum together. Then you can now proceed to make that purchase. So it could be a big purchase like maybe buying a new house or buying a new car or even buying a plot of land. These are purchases that require a lot of money. And if you don't have the money to bring out at once, of course, you can save for it bit by bit until the money is complete. Then you can now proceed to make the purchase. And the fourth reason why you want to save money is to save for investment. And this is the one that actually helps you to build wealth. So let's say you want to invest in commercial papers where the minimum investment is 5 million naira. And you don't have the entire 5 million naira to invest in commercial papers. Of course, you can save that money bit by bit until you have the complete 5 million naira or 7 million or 10 million naira to invest in commercial papers. Then you can proceed to invest in that asset. You can also save to invest in real estate, which is also another good investment opportunity. You can also save to invest in gold. Most of these investments might require a lot of money from you. But if you don't have the money to put in immediately, of course, you can always save for it. So these are some of the reasons why you want to save money. But you don't have to save in your bank, because even though you save this money in your bank will not pay you any interest. If I thought they will pay you interest, the interest will be very, very little. So let's look at alternative ways that you can actually save your money and also get to earn interest. And these are the ways that the rich and the wealthy actually use to save their money. The very first one is using a high yield savings account. A high yield savings account is an account that pays you a lot of interest that is better compared to your regular savings bank account. Here, you are saving money, but you get to earn better interest. You can use platforms like PiggyVest or Cowrywise for your high yield savings account. PiggyVest, for instance, can pay you up to 22% interest per annum, but it all depends on their savings plan that you want to go for on the platform. because on PiggyVest, they have different savings feature. Some of the savings feature they have on PiggyVest are target savings. For target savings, you can save towards a particular target, maybe to buy a car or to buy a house or to relocate abroad. And then also they have the Safe Lock savings feature. With the Safe Lock savings feature, you can lock your savings for a particular period of time. And upon maturity, you are going to get back your savings. And also, you're going to be paid some interest. They also have the Flex Dollar savings feature where you can save your money in dollars and get to earn interest. I think that one pays up to 6% interest per annum. They also have the Flex Dollar savings feature where you can save and earn interest in dollars. You can earn up to 6% interest on their Flex Dollar savings feature. There is also the House Money where you can save towards your house rent or you can save towards purchasing some household items. So these are some of the savings feature available on PiggyVest. So PiggyVest can pay you up to 22% interest per annum. If you don't have an account on PiggyVest, you can simply install the app from Play Store and then you go ahead to sign up for an account and then you complete your KYC and you start saving. If you don't want to make use of PiggyVest, then you can also use Cowrywise. Cowrywise is the one that I am personally using. I've been using Cowrywise for about 3 years now. And I must tell you the truth that the experience is very, very amazing. If you don't have an account with Cowrywise, I'll leave the link to create an account down there in the video description. So on Cowrywise, you can also be able to sign up, create an account, and then you start saving. The reason why I love Cowrywise is that it helps you to stay disciplined with your saving. On Cowrywise, once you set your maturity date, you cannot be able to withdraw your money until the maturity date. So let's say you want to be saving 5,000 naira every day for a period of 6 months. When you start saving, let's say you have any small challenge or you have any emergency that you want to sort out with money, you can't log in and withdraw that savings. You must wait until the expiration of that 6 months. You must wait until your maturity date. That is the only time that you can be able to access that fund. That's one reason why I so much love Cowrywise. So instead of thinking of going to maybe deep hands into the money you're saving towards a particular project, it helps you to think of alternative ways that you can be able to raise the money instead. So with these two platforms, you can operate a high-yield savings account. They're actually approved by the CBN and they are licensed by NDIC. So you have nothing to worry about because your funds is actually secured on these platforms. So let's look at the next way that you can save your money instead of leaving it in your regular savings bank account. And that is by putting your money in a money market mutual fund. So here you are simply giving your money to experts and they take your money with that of other investors and they invest it into short-term and low-risk financial instruments. And anytime they earn interest from this investment, out of that interest is where they now pay you your own dividend. So they can invest in short-term, low-risk instruments like bonds, they can invest in treasury bills, they can invest in commercial papers and fixed deposits in general, okay? So when they make all of these investments and they earn some interest, out of that interest is where they now pay you your own dividend. You know, we have different types of mutual funds. There is equity mutual funds, there is bond mutual funds, there is dollar mutual funds and others. But the reason why I recommend the money market mutual funds is because of stability. Because in the money market mutual funds, there is an impossibility of the value of your money to reduce. So let's say you put in 50,000 naira in a money market mutual funds. I want to keep it there for the next 1 month. It is almost impossible for the value of that money to reduce. Instead, it is going to increase. And this does not happen with, let's say, equity mutual funds, because equity mutual funds has to do with investing in stocks. So that one is a bit risky. The money market mutual funds is more safer, it is low risk, and also it is very stable. So it is one way that you can actually save your money and earn interest instead of leaving it in your bank accounts. Most money market mutual funds returns up to 19 or even 20% interest per annum. And there are many of them out there that you can invest into. There is ARM money market mutual funds, there is Afrivest Plotus Fund, there is also Stanbic IBTC money market mutual funds. For the Stanbic IBTC money market mutual funds and AfriVest Plotters Fund, you can find these two inside the CarryWise application. While for ARM, you can actually use their platform to put your money into that money market mutual funds. All right. So this is far better compared to leaving your money in your regular savings account. Although this sounds more like an investment, but you have access to your money anytime that you want. If you want to withdraw your money from any money market mutual funds, at least within 24 hours, your money is going to be seated right inside your bank account. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this information helpful, do it to like the video, share the video, and if you have any money questions at all, drop it for me in the comment section and I might just make a video to answer that question. Thank you for watching to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.